Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday. So Born Pretty, the lovely Lily over at Born Pretty has sent me a few things to have a look at and have a try. So, and they're so beautiful. So this one is called Silver Rod. It's a glitter painting gel. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I could stare at that all the live long day. It's so pretty. And the consistency is lovely and thick too, so it goes on really nice, and it's pretty much full coverage. Like, you could get away with one coat of it. And then we've got this one. I already have the milky white version of this, which I love, and this one's a gorgeous like apricot soft nude, pop the bubble, but this is like the 3D no solid gel that you can mold and shape with your fingers or with some silicone tools, and then it cures and it's rock hard and you can create all these different shapes. Yeah, it's really good. So I've got that, and then we have 3 other bottles of gel polish. So this is the quick extension gel in milky white, and it is super thick. Oh, I love it, had to try it, which will be shown in a minute. I just did a quick nail extension. And then we have the glitter thermal gel. I nearly forgot about this. I've just done the set. Why did I forget? This is really nice. At first when I saw it, I thought it was like a purple, but it's like a really deep, it has got like a purpley undertone, but it's a really deep dark grey with these gold flaky bits in, and it is beautiful. And obviously it changes colour in the lamp as well, or when it's hot. This is possibly one of my favourite Christmas colours now. It's a jelly colour. That's it in the lamp. That's the thermal one when it's come out of the lamp. So it goes like a really soft pale grey. But yeah, that jelly nude in that red. Oh my gosh, beautiful. So I wanted to try out that quick extension gel in the bottle. So it's kind of like Builder in a bottle, isn't it? And then it occurred to me that stickers will not stick to silicone hands. So I had to hold the nail foil in place the whole time. It was so difficult. But I'm just putting a layer, really thin layer down over, let's pretend it's the natural nail. And then you want to extend it a little bit where you want it to go onto the foil. And then I'll go and get a bigger blob and start building that nail and then curing it. That first thin layer just acts like, it just helps the second layer pull off the brush and go onto the nail a little bit better. So I do the second coat where it's a little bit thicker, and then I will pop it in the lamp, and then you can actually remove the nail foil from the finger, and it's a little bit easier to start building a bit better. And I was actually really shocked, because I haven't done this for a very long time. I don't know whether the product obviously helped me. I hardly had to do any filing. I filed the free edge, and but just like a couple of swipes, and then I made it into kind of like a short coffin, tapered the sides a little bit, but it didn't really need much going over the tops or anything. It smoothed itself out so well, and it created a lovely apex. The side walls weren't too bulky. I held it upside down before I put it in the lamp just to draw it to the centre. But I was really impressed, really impressed. So that is definitely going on my shelf. So I've grabbed some extra long stiletto nails. These are from McCart, and I'm going to put on the thumb and the ring finger 2 coats of that gorgeous silver glitter. It's like holographic at the same time as well. There's little bits of holographic in them. Beautiful. And they just go in for 60 seconds for a cure. And then that gorgeous, I absolutely love it, that gorgeous jelly red, that's going on the index and the pinky. Nearly forgot what it was called. And we're going to do 2 coats of that as well, curing again for 60 seconds in your lamp. Can you just look at this shine? Oh, how beautiful is that? That is 2 coats and top coated. Gorgeous. Right, the middle finger is going to have that thermal gel polish on with the gold flaky bits in, because it's beautiful. And I was a bit concerned on how to make these 3 colours work, but I think it turned out quite well in the end. Let me know what you think. So 2 coats of that, and that's just come out of the lamp on its second coat. So that's how how light it will be if like your fingers are warm or the room's warm or you're dipping your hand in warm water. And I put it down and I went to pause the camera and I was like, oh, it's going cold around the edges, and I really, really liked that effect, like the darkness, like an ombre almost. So I've grabbed this stamping plate from our Shein haul that we did a couple of weeks ago, and this is a Born Pretty one, R001, and they're stamping polish in Time Fly, which is gorgeous silver colour. So we're going to do some snowflakes off that one that we got from the Shein haul. 3 different ones on this nail. I'm going to do the same to the pinky with different snowflakes, and then for the thermal nail we're going to use the Born Pretty stamping plate, and there's like a string of baubles along the top, but that one didn't work out so well and I don't know why. So I just put a little bit of that stamping polish on my palette, got a thin brush and just fixed that little bit there, and then I decided, which I kind of regret now, to do like a really simple snowflake on it. And it wasn't until I started dragging I was like, oh, what have I done? It's not gel polish. I can't like drag through it very well because it's already drying. So if I could reverse time, that would not be there. But using that tiny dotting tool as well, just add a few dots to make it look a bit snowy on all 3 of the coloured nails. And then I have to wait for that to dry before we can top coat it, because it's natural polish. It's just normal varnish, but this is them top coated, and I really like how they turned out. If you liked any of the products that were in this video that I used, you can save 10% over at bornpretty.com using TLNR10 at checkout. I'll put the link down below that will just take you straight to the website with the code already on there, so you don't have to put it in at checkout, and I'll list everything that I've used down below in the description box as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you all on Wednesday for another tutorial, but don't forget, in the meantime I am uploading every single day with one nail design for the Madame Glam advent calendar. So excited about it, so excited. Which you can also use my code littlenailroom30_1 to save 30% at madameglam.com. So there you go. Thanks for watching, bye.